Good evening. A Center County home inspector is in trouble with the law, facing multiple criminal charges, one of them a felony.
Yeah, the Attorney General's office says that he took water and radon samples and then falsified the results. Erin Calandra is in our State College newsroom with more on this tonight. Erin?
Marty, Jen, we got our hands on this lengthy criminal complaint here. We also spoke with officials from the Attorney General's office, and they tell us this man put several people here in Center County, quote, at risk. Now, the AG's office says George Brown told homeowners and home buyers that he was testing their water and that the results were safe, when in reality, the Attorney General's office says they're not so sure. 36-year-old George Brown Jr. of Center Hall is facing several charges, mostly misdemeanors and one felony, after an investigation done by the Attorney General's Environmental Crimes Unit. In court documents, special agents say Brown, the owner of All Systems Inspections, also known as ASI, conducted dozens of water and radon tests without the proper state certifications. And according to those court documents, he didn't send the samples to the lab for testing. According to the criminal complaint, agents say instead he would simply make up the results, type it on fake letterhead, and hand it over to the homeowners. According to the criminal complaint, Brown has allegedly been doing this since 2009, and according to documents, many of his clients were referred to him by an area real estate agency. We reached out to the real estate company for comment, but none of our calls or emails were returned. Brown agreed to talk with us, gave us a statement, but then withdrew it prior to air. We did speak with a man who's listed as a property owner in the court documents. He didn't want to go on camera, but told me he paid Brown $100 to have the radon tested in a home that he was buying. The results were high, so the sellers paid to have a mitigation system installed. The Attorney General's office press secretary Carolyn Myers says they haven't gone back yet to test any of the homes that Brown allegedly falsified results for. She says some people may still be at risk of contaminated water or high radon levels. Now, again, we did speak with Brown, but he later retracted all of his statements. He is scheduled for a preliminary hearing on March 4th. Live in State College, Erin Calandra, 6 News.